Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on creating a new folder with change of date regularly in SSIS. So how to create a folder in SSIS? So there is one task is called file system task. But by using the file system task, we need to create the folder in SSIS. But here we need to assign the date also for that folder regularly after completing the package daily. So this is my source folder. I want to place the one folder with along with the date in this path, so that I need to create one SSIS package. For that, before dragging the file system task into the control pane, we need to create two variables. So there are scenarios in the product based companies where you need to maintain your sales report or purchase report regularly as on date in a particular year. At the time, it is very useful to create the folder along with the date. So now I want to create variable, two variables. First one is main folder. Main folder is nothing but path of that. So I need to maintain the path files archive. In this path, I want to create sales report. My sales report, taking the copy the path and paste it in the value. So if it is folder, you need to end with a backslash. Second one is target folder. Target folder. This is also same string type. So if you want to put the value, this target folder will combination of both main folder and the date, current date of that current date. So we need to write some expressions on this main folder, drag the main folder and evaluate. So this is main folder. From this onwards, we need to write some expressions like, so my intention to create the folder prefixed with sales underscore sales underscore report underscore. Evaluate this. After underscore, the date path will come. So if you run the package today, the folder will created with today's date. If you run the package tomorrow, the date will change and new folder will created with tomorrow's date. So this is what the intention of writing there. So after that, so to get the date, there is some date functions called get date, dragging the get date. This value main target folder value is string data type, but this is the date data type. So we need to convert it to string. There is some string functions called here dt cast function, typecast functions, ttstr. Length I am taking here is 50. Correlation code here is 1252. If you evaluate so far the expression, yeah, here you see here entire date will come, but we don't want that milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours, all these things. We want just date. So for that, you need to use the substring function and making the entire expression as the entire date part and get it as expression. I need to write here from the starting point to 16 length here approximately 16. If you evaluate this, yeah. So last part of the milliseconds, all these things are removed, and it's not sufficient. I think we need to make it as 20. 10 is correct. Yeah, 10 is. So today's date is September 24th. So after sales report underscore today's date will assign. So by this in the name of this part, the file will generated in the target folder. So even I want to replace the hyphens also. How to replace the hyphens? Comma replace hyphen with comma underscore or you want just with the empty, that's also fine. So this is fine. This is the expression that I completed. So I'm again once again told the how I write. So first I need to take the get date. Because my target folder is the string data type, we need to convert it into string. For that, I need to take the data underscore string and assign the value 50 or 152. 50 or correlation code is 12. And after that, we we use the substring function. Substring function to eliminate. I will take this whole operation as the expression and a comma starting from 1. I am assigning 10 characters from the first report. From this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 characters to eliminate the hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, all these things. So that we need to get the exact date. Afterwards, we use the replace function to eliminate the hyphens and hyphens with empty place. So after that, at last, I need to get the folder look like so. Now this is completed. Okay. Now we are dragging the file system task into the control pane. Double click. So here there are so many operations are there. File system task. Here we want to create a create folder. Since there is no create folder, so we are taking the create directory. Nothing but create folder. So I am is source path available. Yes, I am taking the variable on this. My variable here is target folder, and here you use the directory already exists. Yes, it is exist. And so what will happen now? Currently there is no folder in this archive path. Now after running the package, one folder will created with today's date. So I am running the package. Stop it. See here. Sales report 22/09/24. So if you run the package again, it will come 22/09/25 like that. This is how you need to create the folder along with date. So hope this video is very useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.